From Monday, the 18th of August, changes to Bluetongue virus rules will come into effect for Welsh farmers, just in time for the busy autumn livestock sales. Under the new measures, animals in Wales that have completed a full course of vaccinations against Bluetongue serotype 3, or BTV3, will now be allowed to attend certain livestock markets in England, within 20 kilometres of the Welsh border. These include well-known sites like Bishop's Castle, Hereford, Oswestry and Shrewsbury. But the conditions are still strict. Animals must return to Wales the same day, can't stay overnight, and there are no pre- or post-movement tests if all conditions are met. Wales's Chief Veterinary Officer, Richard Irvine, says the phased approach has been agreed to balance the needs of the industry against the risk of disease, after stakeholder discussions and amid growing concern over trade restrictions. He says Bluetongue is a serious disease and stresses the importance of vaccination, compliance, and shared responsibility. The Welsh Government is also now considering expanding the policy further, including allowing breeding sales in Wales itself, through new so-called Bluetongue approved green markets, but applications for that status won't open until mid-September. That delay has sparked concern from NFU Cymru. Its president, Aled Jones, says many crucial breeding sales could be missed if action isn't taken sooner, leaving Welsh farmers at a disadvantage compared to their English counterparts, especially as buyers look elsewhere. The policy is likely to evolve again in the coming weeks, but for now, vaccinated livestock will be allowed to cross the border under controlled conditions as the autumn sales season begins. James Beach Watkins, reporting for Local TV.